Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Marlin Lakescape at Newtown Action Area 3, and this is a soft launch project. Recently we have launched this project, and this is on very lucrative location of Newtown. As you can see, this is the front road in front of the project, and see the opposite side, this is Shapurji Palonji Shukho Brishti, and you can see this is the approaching road, and this approach road is just 250 meters from main major arterial road. If I zoom in, you can clearly able to see the main road, the yellow building, that is the main road. So the project is located in an excellent locality of Newtown, and now you can see this is the actual project location, and this is the experience center. These are the cabana spaces, and these are the facilities we have already mentioned in the gate. And here we are having 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK apartments available. Currently you can book as per your choice, and this is a prime location of Newtown, as you can see, and this is close proximity from other landmarks of Newtown like Bishwa Bangla Gate, like Action Area 1, 2, and near Eco Park also. It's well connected, and this is the actual land of our project. You can clearly see the land from here. So this is the actual land, and just behind our land you can clearly see these are the water bodies. These are the water bodies approaching towards the project. So you can have this view all along your lifetime. So it's a lifetime opportunity to invest in Newtown. So if you can invest in this project, so the project will hand over in 2025 December as per the RERA rules, and you can have great affordable price over this project now, as we have already collected tokens of around 120 units within 20 days of our launch. So it's a hotcake location. So if you invest over here, then definitely your money will be doubled very soon. Not only that, as per residential purpose, you can have every connectivity from the town, and the close proximity from IT hubs is also another added advantage of this project. And this is on affordable segment. Our prices will start from 29 lakhs onwards, and it goes up to around 65 lakhs. So it's the launching price. So if you can have any interest to invest in Newtown, then please be informed. This price will going to increase very soon, because the area rate is around 500 rupees higher than this project. So it's a golden opportunity for everyone. So thanks for watching. If you are any queries about this project, and if you want to visit our project once, then please call us at the number given below. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this. Please share and subscribe our channel for further update.